blessed with the best family. Thank you so much. So now let's see who knows me better. Now it's time to look at all my childhood pictures. Oh my god. Thank you so much. બહુ મસ્ત વિડિયો હતો. Thank you so much. મને બહુ બેસ્ટ ગિફ્ટ હતી આ. આનાથી કાંઈ પ્રેશિયસ નથી બીજું. શું કે છે? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of your efforts. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. I wish I could hug you guys. Thank you to my lovely sister. થોડી આઈડિયા પડી કે કાઈક થઈ રહ્યું છે. આ આઈડિયા નહીં હતી કે આ થઈ રહ્યું છે.
ધ્વની દીદી બહુ મહેનત કરી તો બડા એડિટિંગમાં બતાવા.
I really you guys are the best. You all are the best. I am blessed with the best family. Thank you so much. I'm eternally grateful to all of you. Thank you. Hi guys, good morning. It's 10 a.m. right now, 27th April 2020. Lovely morning. Lovely birthday. So I've just woken up. I was so pumped and excited after watching the video yesterday that I just could not sleep till 3:45 a.m. last night, and now I have woken up at 10 a.m. I have no clue how. It's just because of my birthday excitement, or else I would have slept till 1. I know that, but I'm so excited for the day. Let's see how the day goes. I'll quickly get ready and yes, let's get to the day. Alright, so here it goes. Posting my first video. I posted my first YouTube video and I'm so excited. I have no words. Oh my god. I have not brushed yet. I haven't done anything. I haven't even had water, and I am just here responding to all my wishes. And I was just so pumped to post my first video that I'll brush. Something special is in the making.
Woo! Birthday variety.
It's shower time. I'm so freaking hungry. Something tasty has been made. Done with shower and I got all dressed up for my birthday, but I'm not fully ready yet because I'm so hungry. Variety that I was talking about is Puran Poli. I love it. Mom literally makes the best Puran Poli in this whole wide world. Hands down the best. The best. So I'm done with my lunch, the tastiest lunch, and now it's time to get a little fancy with some makeup. guys. All right, so now it's time for my birthday special Q&A round, and well, it's with my parents. This is my dear mama, Bhavna Premani. She's a yoga teacher, and this is my daddy, Hitesh Premani. He's a businessman. All right. So now, Mr. Businessman and Mrs. Yoga Teacher, time for such ka samna. I'll be asking them 7 questions and they have to answer it within 15-20 seconds. And as I say 1, 2, 3, show, that is when both of you will show your answers, okay?
Okay.
So I hope all the rules are understood. So now let's see, who knows me better, mom or dad? Alright, so now comes the first question. I really wanted this gift when I was a little girl, and then I ended up getting 2 of that gift for my birthday. Which gift was it? I'll repeat the question once again if you want. I really wanted this gift when I was a little girl, and then I ended up getting 2 of that gift for my birthday. Which gift was it? Ready? Both of you? Ready?
Yes.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, show. Like,
And bike me spelling so
both are wrong. As a little girl, I'll give you the answer now. So it was this piggy bank. It had a dog in it, and whenever you would keep a coin or a note or whatever on it, that dog would come out and he would take that money and he would go inside that house. It was a house kind of a piggy bank. I wanted it so bad. When I saw it in the shop, I told my mom I really wanted it, but she said no, we can't get it now. But turns out on my birthday, my dad also gifted me that gift, and so did my grandfather, and I ended up having 2 of those piggy banks, and they both got it wrong. So next question. Please get this one right here. This is very easy. Which year did dad get me my bike/motorcycle? Which year did dad get me my motorcycle? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, show. They are both wrong. 16. They got me the bike in 2016. Oh my god.
जून में पढ़ा
वो 16 लगती थी पर मुझे 15
मला बी 16 ने 17 જ येऊ હતું
पण लग्न 15
16 પાછું 4 વર્ષ થોડી થયા બાઇક ને
0 again. Okay, I don't know how they are going to answer the rest of the questions. Alright, so the third question. There are 2 of my birthdays during which we were out of India. What was my age those 2 times? There are 2 of my birthdays during which we were out of India. What was my age those 2 times? You have to write the age. Age. Alright, ready? Ready? Sure. Papa hai 13-14. He got 1 point. Mom, how is it possible कि 12 and 14 में बारह था?
ये राइट वन कर
2008 માં અને 2009
Yeah.
तो 3 कर सकते
1 point goes to my dad. Mom, dad is in the lead.
Yeah.
You still have a chance.
yeah.
Okay. So the next question, 4th question. This is a little bit tricky. How many amusement parks have I been to? How many amusement parks have I been to? So it's to be counted just once, no matter how many times I have gone there. But that one amusement park means 1, and then so on. So ready? 1, 2, 3, show. 5 times.
Huh?
14 times. It's
What about times? It's about how many amusement parks have I gone. How many separate amusement parks? No. Singapore. We went to that Universal Studio. Zoo. Amusement park. अच्छा क्या Universal Studio? अच्छा वो पिक्चर क्रेन ना गए. Only amusement park. Then SL1. Water Kingdom. Magica. Florida ma.
Universal Studio.
8 minutes. Let me count with you. First, Universal Studio in Florida, USA. Second, Carowinds in USA. Third, Universal Studio, Singapore. Fourth, SL World. Fifth, Water Kingdom. Sixth, Imagica.
Aqua Magica.
And Aqua Imagica. 7, yeah.
અને પોતાને
ના મને યાદ હતું પણ હું Imagica આખું એક જ ગણતી હતી બટ 7.
મેં લખતું 5.
7.
Water Kingdom નહીં ગણ્યું તો પછી.
ગણ્યું SL World Water Kingdom.
ડબલ
તો પછી આપણે અમેરિકામાં તો 3 જગ્યાએ 4 જગ્યાએ
કયા amusement park?
જે ઓલામાં જેમાં તું ઓલું ક્લોક વાઇઝ જેવું હતું ને બોટ
ફરી amusement
એટલાન્ટા
park તો નહીં
સિટી
હતું પપ્પા.
તો એટલાન્ટા
તો એ અલગ જ કરવાનું. એક યુનિવર્સલ સ્ટુડિયો તો એક એટલાન્ટા સિટીનું બીજું થયું.
So 8. Okay, 8.
આ 0.5 આપી દો.
What to do? Should I give them a okay 0.5? 1.5, 0.5. Okay. Now, the fifth question is, what is my favorite go-to place? I'll make it a little simpler in Mumbai. Don't say it, answer it.
I know.
એટલે ફેવરેટ પ્લેસ ઇન ધ સેન્સ ફોર ઇટિંગ
Food.
ઓર ફોર
Anything. Okay, I'll make it even more simpler. Favorite place to go to visit. Not a restaurant. One more hint. Alright, 1, 2, 3, show. Eh? Should I go? Hiking. Beach. Oh, she's right.
આ બેન્ડ્રા શું છે?
Bandra.
કાઢી નાખ્યું મેં પછી
But actually, what I had in my brain was Marine Drive. I always go there. Even if I'm alone, I go there and I just like to sit there and just look at the sea, the ocean. It just calms me down.
હા but point, she gets the point.
So for this, my mom gets a point. Now both are at a tie. 1.5, 1.5. All right. Let's see. Next question. I love chocolates. Which top 2 chocolates do I love the most? I love chocolates a lot. There are 2 top favorite chocolates of mine. Which are they? Ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, show.
આ પપ્પા એનું
I think he meant to write Toblerone and Dairy Milk. Oh my god, this is the perfect answer. Ferrero Rocher and Dairy Milk Silk are my favorite chocolate ever. 2.5, 1.5. Now we have a bonus question, which is going to be asked by my dearest Dadi. So now my Dadi is going to ask the question, and the rules apply the same way. They have to write their answers, and then as I say 1, 2, 3, show, they have to show that answer. Alright? પૂછો દાદા.
માનસીને સૌથી વધારે લાઈફમાં શું કરવું છે અને એને લાઈફમાં બધા કરતાં વધારે શું ગમે છે.
Okay, there are 2 questions. There have to be 2 answers. What do I want to achieve in my life is one part of the question. The second part is what do I like the most in my life?
What do
Okay.
you like to do the most?
What do I like to do the most?
રાઈટ.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, show. Dance and photography.
દાદા
Dada,
અને મોસ્ટ એક્ટિંગ
acting.
એને ગીટાર.
Okay, then. The answers both are partly right. So I'm going to give them 1 point each for this. So mom, 3.5, dad, 2.5, and the winner, as we know, it is my mama. my daddy because she knew most of the answers, which they even didn't know. Alright, thank you so much guys for playing this wonderful game with me. So now it's time to look at all my childhood pictures. That's my most favorite thing to do. And there are some really special pictures which have a story behind them as well. My sister looks the most adorable in this one. So cute. This grand statue of Lord Shiva was the best. I still remember it. I still have a clear picture of how beautiful this was. See you, baby. Dada is dad. Vogue shoot. I was Vogue ready.
काही कोल्ड्रिंक्स ते काही वाटती असतात मानसी न पिवाय न लेवाय त्या स्टेशन पर भेटा આપણે માનો એવી ડાઈટ આપણી બને છે પણ જ્યારે બચ્ચાઓ જીદ કરે બધા કોઈ બી બચ્ચા હોય પછી હું હોય તું હોય કોઈ પણ હોય.
So this photo is so special because I sat on these bumping cars alone for the first time. I think it was in Bangalore. And my car was stuck in just one place. So this person had to come and help me around. But I still enjoyed it the most. It was awesome. Malsar. One of my favorite photos.
હા અમે લોકો
With
ઉટી
my
સ્ટેશન
cousins.
પર બેઠા
I
હતા
love this photo.
ત્યાંનું છે.
So cute. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Garba Queen. Hashtag Garba Queen.
And this is my tomboy.
Okay. So in this photo, my uncle wanted me to get ready like a boy. So he had sent some clothes to my mom and he had asked my mom to, dress me up like a boy. And well, I love it. Manas. How old was I in this one?
1 year old.
1 year old.
Your birthday.
1 year old birthday, okay.
1 year.
1 year birthday girl Mansi, 24. This is 1.5 month old Mansi. Wow. That's my cousin by the way. She's come to meet me. Look at the sun. Look at the model.
હવે
So this is 8 months old Mansi. My mom gave me a birthday gift of this photo framed into a big picture. Laminated into a big picture. I don't know how to use words. Wow, I love this photo. Thank you, Mama, for giving that gift. One and a half month old Manu with Mama. This is one of the best pictures that I have of me and my sister. She looks so cute. Also, she loves this sweater kind of a top that I have. That's her favorite. Obviously, I don't have it anymore.
ठीक है.
So for those wondering where my sister is, this is what she's doing. Oh my god. Am I blessed or what? Got done with my meditation now, and it's time for cake cutting. My very talented sister made this cake, and I am so excited to eat it. It looks delicious, you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Evening speciality in the making. Finally, after so much of hard work, totally done by my little sister, my dinner is ready. And oh my god, guys, it looks so tasty. Let's take a taste. Oh my god, hands down the best. Finally, my amazing birthday comes to a beautiful end. Thanks to everyone because of whom this birthday was even more special. And thank you to my family for making it the best ever. So with this, Mansi Premani signing off. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!